Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to our quick guide on how to split your phone screen. Whether you want to multitask or watch videos while browsing, splitting your phone screen can be a game changer. In this video, our focus will be directed towards two distinct devices, a Samsung device and a Techno device. Starting with the Samsung device, the initial step involves accessing the apps menu. For our illustrative purposes, we will choose the Chrome application. It's worth noting that this process can be applied to various other applications as well. Once the Chrome browser is opened, the subsequent action entails minimizing the app and returning to the home screen. Next, we will access the menu and opt for a different application. In this demonstration, we will be showcasing the utilization of the calculator app. Upon opening the calculator app, we will navigate back to the home screen and proceed to tap on the minimize icon. This action will unveil a list displaying recently used apps. At the forefront of this list, a distinctive green background adorned with symbols like plus, minus, division, multiplication signs become very apparent on this first app called calculator, and so likewise on the other application containing our Chrome. You can see the Chrome icon at the top. This background is basically the emblem that signifies the app, so it is very crucial for us to interact with this element. You want to press and hold this background briefly, and also as you do so, you will observe the calculator app transitioning gradually to the top of the screen. Just beneath it, you have the flexibility to choose any other application of your preference.